I think so. A little bit of a later start for us. We're heading to Animal Kingdom today. Later start because this guy was sick. Best claws I've ever seen, Cole.
Yeah, silly face, silly face. Yeah, I'll do your side, do your face. I'll do that.
Okay, all part of Animal Kingdom is all the animals there. It looks like feeding time. Actually not for us to feed them. These are spoonbills. Sort of various different types. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so we've got a lightning pass for Flight of Passage, but it's about an hour and a half away, so we'll probably go a little bit of a wander around the park. This is the signature of Animal Kingdom. It's the Tree of Life. So much detail in it. It's like not real, totally man-made. Looks amazing. Spectacular. So you can come at night as well. It probably looks even nicer, and they've got some lighting shows and stuff. And want to be a wilderness explorer? Caca, caca. Yeah, you can go do that. Go to different parks, get some stamps round about. It's ideal for kids. Get them involved in different things. Different shops in this main park. Loads of different merch, etc, etc. Yeah, that Tree of Life looks absolutely stunning. Okay, continue on my golden statue search. It's obvious where this one is, in front of the Tree of Life. It's Bambi and Thumper. Wow. I need to keep my eyes open. Oh, there's some more over here. I'm going over here a sec. There's a couple more. Wow. How cool is that? I don't know who these are. Oh yeah, it has to be some Lion King, Timon and Pumbaa and Simba. Wow. Still at the Tree of Life, you can just see it through here. It's Dory and Nemo. How cute is that? I'm not sure how many we're up to yet. I don't think we're quite get 50, but yeah.
Lots of living today. You heard how loud.
Let's go and see.
Well.
See all the exotic birds flying about. Wow.
There we go. So lots of different species, lots of different bug vibrations you can hear. Macaws are super loud, right? We use communication to talk long distances away. But as soon as they came in, they're about to head on home. So get those cameras up and ready because these birds are about to take flight. My goodness, it was a loud show today. There they go. And remember, if you duck, they only fly lower. Thank you all so much for joining us here with Encounters. If you have any questions, come up and talk to us. Otherwise, have a magical rest of your day.
Okay, duck.
Thank you.
Stitch heaven. Look at all those pins. I love them. How much are these pins anyway? Give an example. So it's silver. Silver is $10. They have who?
Bulk.
Oh, bolts. Not seen that for ages. I wonder if that one's a little bit more expensive. Yeah, $17.99. There's obviously 2 pins on that one.
Makes sense.
Baymax. What's that? Actually, do not know who's this. Okay. Does anyone know who that is? Who's this kid? Who's that? I don't know. Don't recognise that one at all. Interesting. Oh, we all have a little bit of a pin collection. See your 2022 pins here. Oswald. Oh, get yourself a new lanyard. Get all your pins on. Limited edition ones. We are heading to the world of Pandora. Look at all this. Wow. You know, these exotic tree sounds. Almost feels real. The Valley of Moara. Pandora. Nice. Got yourself a fan rather than a hat?
Yeah, I can put a hat without my hat.
Yeah. We'll find one, I'm sure. This thing's supposed to let out water when you touch the middle part. Will we have a look? See if we can get soaked. You just stand over there and I'll go do it, right? Like, I think we're going to do the river ride first, and then we've got our lightning pass for flight of passage. What's up there? It's a shortcut, I think. Get your waters here. Wow. Will we go play the drums? Okay. Will we go play the drums before we go into the river ride, which is a 65-minute wait? That's not too bad. Probably not the ride you want to go on, but it's not too bad. Let's go and have a shot at the drums. We have to, Cade. Some strange noise coming from the forest. Probably Millie. Queue ride looks quite long. Supposed to be about 65 minutes. We'll find out soon enough how long it is. We're lucky we're standing in this queue. It's absolutely shocking out there.
I didn't even see that there.
Yeah. We're going to get a big flood coming here. Yeah. It's raining. Cool. Might as well be waiting in here. Rain is shocking still. I'm so glad we're waiting in this queue. Flooding right down. Okay, so we've left it just over an hour, so it was about right, about 65-minute wait time for the Ravi River Rapids River Ride, I think it's called. I've been on this a few times, it's not bad. Quite a relaxing ride. Let's see if it's alive. What is that? Deep into the forest now.
They kind of look like dinosaurs, like the facades.
Probably are inspired by dinosaurs. It's been a while since I've actually seen Avatar. I definitely really enjoyed it. One of the best 3D movies I've ever seen. Visually it's just unbelievable. That was good fun. Wonder if we've now missed the rain. Have we missed the rain showers? Is it now off?
Not really, but...
Is it? Yeah, the rain is now off. Wow, that's a result. It still feels really humid. But yeah, we missed the rain, thankfully.
I don't think it was worth that an hour wait.
Nah, probably not worth an hour wait, but it gets you out the elements. And now, yeah, it's probably took the heat out the air a little bit. It's just humidity now. But now we're going to flight of passage. At least we've got a lightning lane for this one. Wow, never ceases to amaze me how cool this looks. Floating islands, even though they're technically not. Really cool though. I'm getting bipped on. There's certainly been some rain showers about here. Thankfully we have missed it. Very fortunate. A lot of people are absolutely soaked and drenched. So it's cleared out the queues a little bit. 75-minute wait time for flight of passage. That's probably about worth waiting for. But yeah, we've got a lightning lane for it. Lightning lane, enter here. Yes, we will. Love seeing all this at night time, all lights up with all fluorescent sort of painted ears on it. Okay, so the only thing about the lightning lane is you'll miss some of the great detail within the main wake queue. It is stunning. So you at least need to do that once. Some amazing things to see. How'd you enjoy that, Cade? Flight of Passage? I think we all enjoyed it, yeah. Still one of the best rides at Disney. Breathtaking. We hear some thunder in the sky. Sounds like we're going to get another shower very, very soon. That means only one thing, lots of rain. Well, we've got a fast pass or lighting lane for Everest. I don't like Everest much. There's Timon, Pumbaa and Simba photo op. Oh, are they? So this used to be like an up sort of show in here, but they've changed it to a Feathered Friends in Flight. It was really pretty awful, to be honest, the up thing. So we are now in Asia. Amazing, that was quite going from Africa to Asia. Look at these things. So cool. Oh look, it looks like duck. Okay, we can certainly see Everest. Wow, that looks pretty impressive, even though it's a ride. It looks larger than it probably is. Imagine the ride climbs right up in there. This ride's okay, I couldn't do it any more than once because of the backwards G-force effect though. Lightning Lane Everest, Expedition Everest, to give it its best title. Right here. The wait time is nil because it's closed. Yeah, it says Dino-Rama. Look at the size of this beast. You can go under and tickle his belly. Yeah, look. I'm just... no, I can't reach. Pretty cool though. This area's a wee bit underused now that the facilities are actually open. I don't know if they are or have been open. Yeah, these are just like games you can play. And yeah, the... was it the Primeval World thing's gone? Yeah, it was pretty rubbish anyway, it just didn't seem as if it belonged here. Still got the Triceratops spin, which is down just now. Yeah. So we kind of have to dodge Everest just now because it's down, so we're going to Dinosaur. What is this thing made out of? It's got bottles and jewels and stuff. Some kind of dinosaur contraption. Oh, look at this. Kinda interesting. Yeah, we're going to get something to eat then, Dinosaur Fast Pass, then hopefully Everest will be back up and we can do that lightning lane. And then maybe get back to our hotel for some pool time, I think, because it is so humid. I think we're going to see some more lightning storms. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of Dinosaur lightning lane. This ride's pretty cool. Pretty much in the dark, so I won't be filming anything. And then we'll go back to Everest and get that lightning lane done. What's the queue time? 45 minutes for us, so we've got a lightning lane pass thingy, my jogger. Well, you can go through here and see all the sort of dinosaur models that they've got set up. Yeah, roar. Or Millie's best ever dinosaur impression. Roar. This looks like the dinosaur actually out the movie. Can't remember the name of that dinosaur. Can you, Millie?
Sure.
What is it? Dino. Okay. Dinosaur has been done. I quite like it, it's quite a good ride. Lightning pass, 45-minute wait, but we just went straight on pretty much. Yummy. Now heading to Everest.
Have a great day here at the world's most magical celebration! And that is Holland! Have a great day, everyone!
Perfect Florida outfit. Yeah, he must be roasting. Anyway, lightning lane, enter here. I hope the heck he's got ice packs all the way up and down that outfit because it is absolutely roasting. Yeah. Expedition Everest, lightning lane, here we go. See some rain on the way. Everest has been abandoned again due to the dodgy weather. Look at that, Mickey and Minnie. And Pluto. Give them a wave. They're on their safari to get up. Cool. We're going to head out now before we get a big massive shower. Definitely a lot of thunderstorms about, that's why some of the rides are off. Never got to do Everest. We will be back. Nice. Oh, rain shower. Ah, you got to live Florida for those tropical storms and showers. Yay. Check the weather out, but look at the name of the bus. Jiminy Cricket. Would you believe it? Jiminy Cricket. Yay. Chucking down. Yay. Getting heavier. Yeah.